In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use database built from a template and know exactly how to switch between different views to manage your information. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the home page, click Login to access your workspace. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to proceed. This is a quick, secure way to get in, and once you're authenticated, you'll land right inside your ClickUp environment. Next, choose the space where you want this database to live. A space is a top-level container in ClickUp, so pick the one that best matches your team or project. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to add something new. Click the plus sign and then open the Templates option to browse ClickUp's template library. In the template search bar, type Database. From the results, select the database template to preview it. When you're ready, click Use Template. You'll see a confirmation or setup dialog. Click Use Template again to apply it to your space. While the template is being created, here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is building a structure for your records, complete with fields and example views. Templates like this often include columns for core details, grouping options, and pre-built layouts. Once it finishes, you can immediately start entering items or fine-tune fields, such as renaming columns, reordering them, or adjusting statuses to match your workflow. Everything you do is saved automatically, so you won't lose your changes. With the database ready, explore the built-in views so you can work the way you prefer. First, open the Grouped by Frequency view. This organizes items into buckets, making it easy to see how often something occurs or needs attention, and helps you spot patterns at a glance. Then, switch to the Database Table view. This is your spreadsheet-style layout where you can scan columns, sort, filter, and edit cells quickly, perfect for bulk updates and detailed comparisons. Next, click the Board view. This Kanban-style layout shows tasks as cards and columns, great for dragging items through stages and tracking progress visually. Finally, open the List view for a clean, linear presentation of your records. It's ideal when you want a simple checklist or a condensed overview. That's it. You've created a ClickUp database from a template and learned how to navigate the key views, customize fields, refine filters, and invite collaborators when you're ready to scale your setup.